Well, thank you. I try. The floater toolkit that you're referencing, that came about because, I'm trying to teach my students to think critically. And if I just say, well, here's this claim, let's think about it, then it's difficult. Where do you start? So the floater toolkit came about because I wanted to provide students with a structured and systematic way to work through claims. So it's if you were to summarize the major concepts in critical thinking and science literacy, it might look like floater. So the acronym stands for F is falsifiability, L is logic, O is objectivity, A is alternative explanations, T is tentative conclusions, and then evidence, and then finally reproducibility. So I present that to my students early in the semester, and I give them lots of opportunities to practice. So I'll give them claims. I use a lot of pseudoscience in class and science denial and so on. So if I just give them good claims, science-based claims, then they might not be able to recognize what bad science looks like. So I'll give them pseudoscience claims, and then I just give them lots of opportunities to practice using the toolkit during the semester. Hopefully then they remember the acronym, and then after the semester is over, they can use it in the real world. Sorry for the scare quotes.